Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to file your taxes for DoorDash. First, recognize that as an independent contractor, you are responsible for self-employment taxes. You'll receive a Form 1099 NEC if you earned over $600 from DoorDash. Keep meticulous records of all your income and expenses throughout the year. This preparation will simplify the filing process significantly and help you maximize your deductions. When filing, report all your DoorDash earnings as gross income. Crucially, track your deductible expenses to lower your taxable income. Common deductions include vehicle expenses, like mileage, which is currently 67 cents per mile, or actual costs for gas and maintenance. Don't forget to include costs for your phone, hot bags, and any other supplies essential for your delivery work. These deductions can significantly reduce your tax liability. You'll use Schedule C, profit or loss from business, to report your DoorDash income and all your eligible business expenses. Then, calculate your self-employment taxes, which cover Social Security and Medicare, on Schedule SE. Many Dashers find tax software helpful for navigating these forms and ensuring accuracy. It can guide you through each step, making the process much smoother and less intimidating. If you expect to owe at least $1,000 in taxes, you should pay estimated taxes quarterly to avoid penalties. A good rule of thumb is to set aside 25% to 35% of your earnings for taxes. This proactive approach prevents a large tax bill at year-end. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other helpful deals. Staying organized and informed is key to successful tax management.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.